Huh. How do you automate your finances? Right? Nobody likes doing their finances when it comes to their business. Even I sometimes don't find it so much fun. But there are ways you can automate it and make it your life so much more simple and easy. Of course, one of my favorite tools is QuickBooks Online. Why? You can connect your bank account, you can connect your credit cards, downloads everything, and it uses AI to help you categorize things, and boom, it matches. There's no data entry. It's super simple. Downside, typically going to pay, roughly $1,000 a year to have a software like QuickBooks Online. They change their pricing all the time. So I'm just saying roughly $1,000, give or take, depending on which version you use, depending on all a bunch of other things. But, you know, you got to look at your time too. And if you're having to manually do that, that's going to cost you money, time. So typically people will either have time or money. What do you want to spend more time doing? Automating it through QuickBooks, like most cases, you don't even need a bookkeeper. It's so simple and so easy. And inside my course, Profitable Business Academy, I have a whole module that teaches you QuickBooks and how to set it up so it makes your life simple. It's pretty easy to do that, especially inside of my course, doing the module. The other thing you can do is have one, if you don't want to spend $1,000 a year, your business isn't big enough, it doesn't make sense. I get it. Um, Having one credit card and one checking account, right? So you can download those transactions into a spreadsheet and you have all the information in one spreadsheet. I also have inside my course is a custom profit and loss statement that you just copy and paste those downloads into this Excel format, and it actually creates a monthly P&L for you. It's pretty cool. I do say so myself. Or you can do it manually yourself. So, but the key is to actually do something with your finances every single month, whether you sign up for something, QuickBooks, or you create a spreadsheet. The key is to keep it simple and, using some sort of software, whether it be QuickBooks, Excel, having one credit card and one checking account. Make a little date with yourself every single month. So you're downloading that information, putting it into a profit and loss statement and reviewing it so you know what your business is doing and you can make decisions based on that. Um, Please reach out if you have any questions or you're interested in hearing more about Profitable Business Academy. I'd love to hear from you.